हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग एक ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट सीखेंगे जहां पे एक बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट का यूज करके हम लोग एक बहुत ही बड़े प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल है। क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है एफ एक्स और दिया हुआ है जी एक्स और तुम्हें दोनों को ऐड करना है, लेकिन इसके इंटरवल्स थोड़े डिफरेंट हैं। बिना कुछ देरी किए वी विल गो टू दैट क्वेश्चन एंड वी विल सी हाउ विल यू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। सो क्वेश्चन इज गिवन एज दिस वन. Fx is given as mod of x plus 1, which is in the interval x is less than equal to 0 and x which is greater than 0. Now we are having the gx which is given as mod of x plus 1, which is x less than equal to 1, and we are having negative of mod of x minus 2, which is x greater than 1. Now we have to add this function fx and gx. Whenever we are doing such kind of addition in this kind of interval, first we have to make sure that we should write every value in different region. Like we can say, if I want to write x plus 1, I will divide into some parts such that it will go into different regions. How will you do that? Let's start. So x plus 1, you already know that x will change its condition at x equals to minus 1. So what we will do? We will take first, that is x is less than equal to minus 1. We can take this one, and then we will take x greater than minus 1. But since it is less than equal to 0, so you will write it as less than equal to 0. Now x is less than minus 1, which means I will take it as minus of x plus of 1. Once you will take this one, then after that we will take minus 1 x is less than equal to 0, which means I will take it as x plus 1. Now we will go to the next value, which is x is greater than 0. For this one, you are getting only value of fx, that is equal to x. Now this is the division that we had done. Let's write the value for gx. What will you write for gx? We will see. Now gx is going for x is less than equal to 1. When we are doing fx plus gx, we should make sure that key interval should be divided according to fx. So here we will take three conditions. First, that is x is less than minus 1. If x is less than minus 1, see, mod of x is either greater than 0 or less than 0, which means if I will take any value which is less than 0 for mod of x, it will turn out to be minus of x. So here what we will say, if I am taking the value of less than equal to minus 1, it will turn out to be minus of x plus of 1. And if I will take the value which is minus 1 of x less than equal to 0, it will also turn out to be minus x plus 1. Okay, because this interval has divided, that's why we are doing in such way. Now taking the third one, that is x is less than 1. Here we will take the value from 0 to 1. Here we will get the value as x plus 1. Now we will go to x is greater than 1. Now if you can see x minus 2, first check x minus 2. We will not go to x greater than 1 or something like that. We will check first x minus 2. So x minus 2 is changing its nature at x equals to 2. So what we will do? We will write it into three parts. First one, that is x is greater than 1 but less than 2. In this region, we'll get the value as negative of x minus 2, because x minus 2 is changing its condition. If the value is less than 2, you will get it as negative of x minus 2. But we are having negative outside, it will turn out to be positive x minus 2. Once you will take this one, then after that we are taking it as x is greater than 2. In this condition, you will get the answer as negative of x minus 2. That's how we will divide everything. Now let's add fx and gx. So if you will see the region, fx is having the region from x is less than minus 1. You will take the same region, x is less than equal to minus 1. Once you will add, you will get the answer as equal to fx plus of gx. which is equal to minus of x minus of x. That will turn out to be minus of 2x. When x is less than minus 1. Now the next condition, x is greater than minus 1 but less than equal to 0. X is greater than minus 1 but less than equal to 0. Now we can add the values. So minus x getting added with plus of x, that means it will get cancelled, and 1 will get added, it will give you 2. So in the region from minus 1 to 0, you will get the value as 2. Next one, when we are having x is greater than 0 but less than 1. But here, whatever the condition that you will take, you will always get x is greater than 0. So we can add these two values and the value is 2x plus 1. But the region that we will take is this one. Now the next one, when we are having 1 which is less than 2. Here we will take it as x minus minus will become plus x minus 2. So that will become 2x minus 2. Now the last one, x is greater than 2. Once you will take x is greater than 2, you can subtract minus x and x, you will get the value as 0. But here we are having one more value which is equal to 2. So here we will write 2. This is the function that you will get, fx plus gx. According to the interval, we are dividing the values, and that's how we are getting the answer of this one. Hope you have understood each and everything. If you are having any doubt, please write in the chat box that I am having such kind of doubt. In the next video, I will try to solve that problem. Till then, please try to solve such kind of problem such that it will help you to score more in JEE examination. Okay, till then, let's meet in the next session. Bye.